Hello. So today we'll do question number 8. Okay, hold on. I think I found. Okay, so question number 8, it has two parts. Find the and it's a bit challenging question. Let me tell you in advance. This is a bit challenging question. We need to find the area of the shaded region. So we need to find this area. Okay, this is the shaded region. We need to find this area. It's not difficult. If we find the area of this whole triangle ABC and subtract the area of this sector and this sector, we will get the area of the shaded region. So it doesn't look too bad. Okay, one interesting thing is that this angle is given as 90 degree. Pi by 2, it is given as 90 degree. Okay, so this will make things easier. Okay, let me start with part number 1. We need to find the area of the shaded region. So I need to find the area of the triangle. How can I find the area of the triangle? It's a right angle triangle. If I flip it a little bit, if I turn it a little bit, so it is something like this. This is B, this is A, and this is C. Okay, and this angle is known as 2 pi by 9, and AB is known as 8 centimeter. Okay, so in order to find this area, I need to find this height BC. Okay, tell me how much is the tangent of A? It is BC over AB. Am I right or no? Okay, so from here, how much is BC? BC is AB into tangent of A. Okay, and how much is AB? It is 8, and tangent of A is 2 pi by 9. Okay, so now I'm ready to find the area of the triangle ABC. This area is half into base is AB and height is BC. Okay, so half, and AB is known as 8 and BC is known as 8 times tangent 2 pi by 9. Okay, so this comes out to be 32 tangent 2 pi by 9. Okay, so this was easy. Now we can find the area of the sector. Sector ABD, right? Okay, remember the area of the sector I told before, this is half theta into r square, and this theta is in radian. This is important. Don't make a mistake to using degrees here. Okay, so for this sector A, B, D, I will do half, and angle is 2 pi by 9, and then r square is 68 square, 64. So this comes out to be 64 pi by 9. Okay, so this is the area of the sector ABD. Now I need to find the area of the sector CDE. CDE. Okay, again half into the angle. Now I need to find the angle C. Okay, how much is this angle? Okay, C, you can see it is equal to pi by 2, mean 90, minus this angle A, which is 2 pi, sorry, I do 9, this is pi by 2, 2 pi by 9. Okay, so I know that the sum of A and C is going to be 90 pi by 2. So I subtracted from 90, 2 pi by 9, and it comes out to 5 pi by 18. 5 pi by 18. So this is the angle I'm talking about, this angle. Okay, so now I will write the angle here, 5 pi by 18, and then r square, right? Now this is a difficult question. I need to find the length DC. Okay, how much is this length? Okay, Let me erase this thing. Okay, so I need to know the length DC. You can see that DC length is equal to AC minus AD, right? Now, how much is AC? Okay, uh, remember this is again a triangle. So if I do this thing, okay, sine, cosine, yes. Okay, what about cosine of A? Okay, sine, cosine. It is AB over AC. So from here, I can see that AC distance, it is equal to AB over cos of A. And AB distance is 8 over cosine of 2 pi by 9. Okay, so this is my AC. Okay, so from here I can do AC is 8 divided by cosine of 2 pi by 9 minus AD. Now AD is same as AB and it is 8. So this is my DC. Okay, so I will do the DC square mean R square. So here I will have 8 over cosine of 2 pi by 9 minus 8 and its square. Okay, so this is the area of the sector. Now the area of this shaded region. This is going to the area of the triangle, which is 32 times tangent 2 pi by 9 minus 64 pi by 9 and minus now here I have to do this calculation 1 by 2 5 pi by 18 into 8 over cosine of 2 pi by 9 minus 8 and its square. And when I do all this calculation, I get the answer to be, let me make sure that shaded region, yes, 32 minus 64, yes, it comes out to be 1.906 centimeters square. Okay, I hope it is clear. It's not complicated at all. Okay, now let me change the color. Okay, part 2, second part. Okay, find the perimeter of the shaded region. Okay, now I need to find the perimeter of the shaded region. So again, it has 3 parts. One arc from B to D, second arc from D to E, and then the straight line from D to B. So this perimeter consists of 3 parts. One is BD arc plus DE arc and plus EB straight line. Okay. Now, how do I find this BD arc length? Remember, arc length is S equal to R theta and theta is in radians. Okay, so for BD arc length, my radius is 8 and the angle is 2 pi by 9 plus DE arc. For this arc, I need to know the radius, and radius here was complicated. Remember, it was 8 divided by cosine of 2 pi by 9 minus 8. Okay, so this is r, and theta was 5 pi by 18. Okay, so this is the second arc length, and plus EB, sorry, ED. Okay, how can I find sorry, it's EB. Yes, okay. You can see that this distance EB is equal to BC minus EC. Okay, BC minus EC will be EB. Okay, now how much is BC? We found BC before, and BC was here. This is BC. So it is 8 into tangent of 2 pi by 9 minus EC. EC is same as DC, which is we found uh, we found here. This is my EC, this one. Okay, so how can we do this one? It is 8 divided by cosine of 2 pi by 9 minus 8. So this is the minus EC part. So okay, so EB is equal to this whole thing, 8 times tangent 2 pi by 9 minus 8 over cosine of 2 pi by 9 and plus 8. Okay, I hope this is all clear to everybody. Okay, and when I calculated all this thing, it came out to be 11.9863737, and it is in centimeters. Okay, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed this. It was a bit challenging question. Uh, and what are we doing here? We use the formula to find the sector area. We use the formula to find in a right angle triangle, if I know this was 8 and this angle was known as 2 pi by 9, so I need to find this distance and this distance. So we use different formulas to find this distance, and those distances we used in this question. Hope you understand everything and hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.